Step 1. Start by removing the headrest from the driver's seat. You may need to tilt the seat forward to do this. Step 2. Place the cover over the seat backrest with the front side facing forward and pull it downwards like putting on a t-shirt. Step 3. At the top of the cover, locate the holes for the headrest. Tuck the headrest's plastic housing through these holes to keep them properly aligned. Step 4. Push the foam pocket at the bottom of the cover into the gap between the seat backrest and the seat base. This helps secure the cover in place. Step 5. Pull the base of the cover over the front of the base, and at the sides, pull it round and over the plastic. Step 6. At the back of the seat base, push the elastic straps through the gap between the base and backrest. Reach behind the seat and connect the straps to secure the cover firmly. Step 7. Undo the Velcro of the armrest cover. Slide the armrest cover on, similar to how you would a sock, and secure the Velcro back in place. Step 8. Slip the headrest cover over the headrest like a sock. Step 1. Start by removing the headrest from the passenger seat. Step 2. Find the long cover and place this over the middle folding backrest. Starting at the top, put the cover over the top with the elastic straps looped at the back and the Velcro at the bottom. Step 3. Thread the Velcro straps through the gap and then fold the seat forward. Step 4. Pull the Velcro tabs upwards and affix to the 2 tabs found at the side of the cover. Step 5. Undo the zip on the double seat cover. Slide the cover over the seat backrest. Step 6. Align the headrest holes in the cover with the plastic headrest mount on the seat to ensure proper fitting. Step 7. Attach the Velcro tabs under the seat to the back of the cover. You will need to lift the base up to do this. Step 8. At the side of the backrest, affix the zip together. Step 9. The base covers are labelled for the driver side and for the passenger side. Step 10. To attach the base covers, start at the back of the seat base. Slide the thin part of the seat base into the pocket of the cover, keeping the elastic under the seat base. Step 11. Next, fold the front corners inside out and pull over the cushion corners. Step 12. Reattach the headrest to the seat and fit the headrest covers over the headrests like a sock. The seam is at the front.